The miles between us feel so long, but in my heart you've been where I belong. Every day I feel you near, a love so strong it's crystal clear. In the silence, in the night, I close my eyes and feel your light. No matter where the world may take, our love will never break. Through the oceans, through the skies, our love is something that never dies. In every thought, in every prayer, I know you're with me everywhere. Love knows no distance, love knows no time. No matter where you are, you'll always be mine. Through every moment, through every tear, love knows no distance, love knows no fear. In your heart and in mine too, love knows no distance, it's always true.